the chocolate factory in Pattaya. Shop and cafe. Maybe there's something delicious, something tasty and mouth watering. Creamy, nice, and soft, and sweet, and delicacy. Let's check it out. It's 9. They're making chocolates here, huh? Oh yeah, they have some patrons, customers. Let's check this out. Chocolate factory. Wow. This looks nice. Coffee, brandy, 45 baht. Or 45, 35 baht. It's not that expensive, not that cheap. But affordable. They have nice chocolate out here. Check this out. Thai origin. Wow. Has to be special. Mouth watering and exquisite. Mint. The mint looks nice. They all look nice. They all look nice. Buy one get one free promotion. Buy one get one free. This is buy one get one free. What? Lollipop or what? Oh, only here. No chocolate. Chocolate no. No. Chocolate no. Maybe you should try one, right? Maybe I should try one. Right? What is the best seller here? Where's the best seller? Star? Star Restaurant the best seller? What's the number one?
Number one has Supreme Dark.
Which one?
Has Supreme Dark chocolate.
Show me. Supreme Dark Chocolate 80% from Thailand.
ช็อกโกแลตมาจากไหนนะ
Huh? You don't know? So it's a chocolate, huh? Piece by piece. Thai origin is what? What's the Thai origin?
Dark chocolate.
Also dark chocolate. Not same?
Not same.
Taste, what's the taste like?
Oh no, I'm sorry.
You don't know? How about the summer dream? Summer dream.
Some of them have mango.
Huh?
Mango.
It's mango. Oh, mango taste. And you have almond blue, dark truffle, Rocher. Rocher is normal. You can buy in the shopping center, right? Rocher same.
Same.
Same. Oh, it's same. What is special? What is special here? You got peanut butter there at the corner. Galaxy. What is special? What is special? Coffee, brandy, truffle. Some chocolate, 650 here. So this is the canteen area. Canteen area where you eat. Is there a dining area there, eating? Big dining area, big steak. Lounge. See, they have steak here, man. Steak here. Just looking. They have steak here. I can see steak. How much steak? Yeah, how much is steak? You have steak there. I can see picture. This is chef menu. Signature menu dish, main dish, 1,002. Oh, you have a flank steak, fajitas, cowboy steak, the Diane, and the spinach steak. Wow. Who's the chef? There's a chef. Chef, Iron Chef Thailand. Appetizer, beef slider, and late. That's it. Artistry, culinary celebration with chef off. Chef off. Okay. So yeah, I'm still deciding what to eat, what to take. How are you? Cotton cake, 250 like that. Cotton grill. How you look? Oh. Chocolate dome, chocolate fondue. That's the culinary delicacy of chocolate and Thai social club of Thailand. See. Also, the signature chocolate you have. Chocolate, you have how much is that? 100?
90 baht.
Oh, yeah, it looks nice. Refreshing chocolate, coffee. Tea. Yeah, cocktails even. Italian soda.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, many here.
Smoothie.
Smoothie even. Yeah. And this is chocolate. Just chocolate in front.
Yes.
What is the best seller? What is number one?
This one?
Yeah, what do you think? is
Soft dark, soft milk, soft white. Yes.
soft white, soft milk.
Soft dark. The signature of the chocolate.
What is it? Soft,
Soft milk, soft dark, soft Venezuela, and soft white.
soft Venezuela.
Yes.
I don't see.
You can see for
In
this.
front, they have soft Venezuela. Not Thai. Thai, you like Thai.
Thai taste. I have. มันมีอะไรนะบ้างแม่ Thai crispy pancake.
Thai crispy pancake, right?
Yes.
What
Thai
you?
bingsu.
What is number one for you?
Number one for this almond milk.
Almond milk. You like almond milk?
Yes.
But they have no brandy. They have alcohol inside. Alcohol.
I have just some.
Few some. Yeah.
Yes.
I will check it. I think they have one is brandy. Brandy. Yeah. This nice. Pancake here. This. So yeah, you have a lot of food inside
Yes.
here.
Or Thai Western. I have
Many.
a lot of.
Is it a Thai chef?
Yes, Thai service.
Thai chef?
Yes.
Oh, Thai chef.
For Thai
Okay.
meal.
Yeah.
For
Okay.
Thai main course and Thai a la carte.
Oh, you have green curry, sour curry, yeah, sour curry, yellow curry, green curry.
Yes. ต้มยำทะเล
Yeah.
and a la carte. And the most popular for a la carte is pad Thai. Yes.
Yeah, that's number one. Shrimp, pad thai, too. So I order here, pay later? Or what?
You want
I don't know, what is the best seller?
best seller for recommend Red Star?
Oh, Red Star.
Yes.
What's Galaxy? What's inside Galaxy?
Chocolate.
It's with chocolate with alcohol. Okay. And soft dark is this.
And you can look this way. This for Red Star for recommend.
Yeah.
And this for dark chocolate. And this for peanut.
Yeah,
And this for
oh,
alcohol.
Oh, you have alcohol. Yeah, blue is for alcohol. Let's see. That is blue. Blue is Galaxy. Huh? Dark is no diary. Mint is red is recommendable. The one that is with alcohol is Galaxy and Oreo. Yeah, Galaxy Oreo and soft milk.
The Chocolate Factory สวัสดีค่ะ
Okay, I try Galaxy.
One Galaxy.
Wait a minute, I just stick for you. One Galaxy here. One Galaxy. Yeah, one Galaxy right here. Yeah, here. So I can eat? I eat first?
Okay. Only one นะคะ
Yeah, one. I try
Okay,
one
we bring
first.
at the table.
Yeah, thank you. Oh, that's nice.
You can sit down first ค่ะ
Yeah, okay. Come. one. Thank you. How you eat this? How you eat this? How you eat like this? Okay. Taste to the point of heaven. Taste is smooth, it's tasteful, it's really immense food to the point of heaven. It's soft, exquisiteness, and dreamy, soft, dreamy, and very light. I would say 45 Thai baht for this small piece of chocolate is worth it, because you only live once in a while and you live once in a lifetime. So I would say if you come here and try it, it's no big deal. It's really quite good because you get to taste one of the best chocolate in Thailand. And I would say my review, my point of view is that chocolate is soft, delicate, creamy, and made and built exquisitely from heaven to heaven and by heaven. So it's really soft, very light, and slight taste of alcoholic brandy, I would say. And when you bite like this, just infinity. It's like so soft that it melts into your mouth, and the water is dripping off, mouth watering, I would say.